Hello everyone, my name is Raj and welcome to Fentiel YouTube channel. If you are unable to go to gym these days but still want to grow your muscles and be fit, in this video I am going to tell you a way how you can be fit and grow your muscles from your home itself. There are three ways to do it. First, you can do body weight exercises. If you want to do body weight exercises, you can watch my earlier videos which are home workouts. I'll keep the link in description. You can follow those workouts. Second is dumbbells. You can buy the dumbbells and you can do exercises from your home. The problem with dumbbells is you would be needing so many different dumbbells for different weights. If you want to do exercises with so many different weights, you have to buy so many different dumbbells. So for that reason, dumbbells can be a bit uncomfortable. So the solution for this is our today's topic, that is third one, resistance bands. These resistance bands are nothing but elastic things which will increase the resistance when you stretch more. They weigh very less, approximately 500 grams, but with those bands you can change the resistance as if you are changing weights in dumbbells. With these bands which are weighing around 500 grams, you can even do exercises which weigh around 25 to 30 kgs. Remember, it is not mandatory to have these if you want to be fit and healthy. But if you are a man who want to grow more muscles and if you are a woman who want to build more strength and have a toned body, then these resistance bands can help to do exercises from home. I've ordered these resistance bands online, so we'll see today what all we'll get as part of this parcel. It cost me around 21 US dollars, which is almost equivalent to 1500 Indian rupees or like 160 Hong Kong dollars. The brand I ordered is Seek and Find. Actually, I was not sure about which brand is good for resistance bands, but the reviews are good for this product, so I bought them because the gyms are all closed due to current situation now. So we got some big pouch as well as a small pouch. I think these fell out of the small pouch in the parcel. These are resistance band loops. These are not actually used for high resistance, but these are helpful in giving some resistance during stretching and also keep your posture correct during exercises like squats, etc. Here we got 3 different bands. The resistance for each band will be different. As I said earlier, these are not mainly used to build muscles because their resistance is a bit less, but they can help you by giving some additional resistance when you're doing your body weight exercises. There are band loops with high resistance also, but the 3 I have just shown you are a bit less resistance ones. Now we will see the articles that are in this main pouch. As you can see, it is a very small bag and very portable, and you can carry it anywhere you want. This bag weighs just around 500 grams, but the resistance of these bands can go as high as 50 kgs or like 115 pounds. Let's open this one and see what all we have got. I think everything came out at once. I will arrange these items so I can explain you one by one. So these are all the items we have as part of this parcel. So this one is the pouch which has all these things, and these are the 3 resistance band loops which I have told you earlier, and these are ankle straps. These are useful to do leg exercises using these resistance bands. You can wear like this and strap it around your ankle, and once it is strapped properly, you can use the hook and you can connect it to the resistance band like this. Here I am showing leg lateral raise as a sample workout using this ankle strap. This one is door anchor. This one is a very useful part of this kit. We can do so many exercises using this door anchor, similar to the exercises we can do in gym. We can pass the resistance bands through the strap of this anchor and pass it over the door like this. We can close the door and start doing exercises. Here I am doing a back workout which will target lats muscles. So this is the pouch which have these resistance band loops at the start, and these are the 2 handles. We can connect them to these bands while doing the workout. And these are the main ones which are the resistance bands, and we can connect the handles using these hooks. As you can see, we have different color ones. Each color defines different resistance. We have green, yellow, black, blue and red. So as I said, each color has different resistance. So the ones here have total resistance of like 115 pounds as I said earlier. So the yellow one has 15 pounds resistance. So similarly the other bands also, like green one has 30 pounds resistance and the red one 20 pounds and the blue one 10 pounds and the black one has highest resistance of 40 pounds. Normally all these details will be part of a guidebook which we receive as part of this parcel, but I don't think I have received any guidebook as part of the one I ordered. So I got all this information from the website from where I have ordered these things. So this is the complete set of the resistance band kit I have ordered. These are some of the sample workouts we can do using these resistance bands. We can do almost all kinds of workouts we do with dumbbells using these resistance bands. The main advantage of these resistance bands are they are very light and portable. Dumbbells also have their own advantages, but you have to buy more dumbbells if you want to work out with different weights. But if you don't have dumbbells or you don't want to use these resistance bands, you can simply do home workout exercises as well, which as I said earlier, I'll keep the link in description. You can follow those workouts. So in the coming videos, I'll be doing exercises using these resistance bands, so you can also practice the same and do workouts from your home. So subscribe to this channel and see you in the next video.